We're asked to solve this cubic equation. We're not given any factors, and so actually the first thing we're going to have to do is find a factor, and to do that we can use the factor theorem. So I'm going to let f of x equal the cubic, and then I'm going to try some numbers because that will give me a root. Always go with factors of this number here, so 10. So what goes into 10? Well, we could try 1. This is quite easy to do without a calculator. 2 minus 8 plus 3 plus 10. Okay, quite, yeah, no, not close at all actually. So 50, so not equal to 0. Could try f of minus 1. I think I'm going to go with, I'd like to do the first few positive ones, to be honest. Definitely going to enlist my calculator now. So 2 times 2 cubed minus 8 times 2 squared. To be honest, if it doesn't work, I'm not even going to write it down. Oops. Sorry, a few little mistakes there, but it's okay. We get 0. So I will write down 2 times 2 cubed is 8 times 2 squared plus 3. But I don't think I need to show any more work in. It's equal to 0. And by factor theorem, that means x minus 2 is a factor. We just need to find the rest, what else goes into it. And to do that, we can do polynomial division. So x minus 2 divide, I mean, there's more than one method, but this is a really solid method that I'm going to stick with. Also works really well if you divide them by, say, x squared, or even like a quadratic. It's just as good. So it's just a case of like remembering the method. We take the first term and we divide it by x, which is going to give me 2x squared. And I multiply back through by the x minus 2, 2x cubed minus 4x squared. Subtract them. Minus 8x squared minus 4x squared is going to give me minus 4x squared. Bring the 3x down. Okay, and then x is into this. So we get a minus 4x. Multiply back through, I get a plus 8x here. Minus 2 times minus 4x. Subtract them, gives me minus 5x. Then finally, x is into minus 5x, gives me minus 5. And we get a remainder of 0, which we must do because it's a factor. So therefore, x minus 2 multiplied, we've just shown that if I do this cubic divided by x minus 2, that I get this quadratic. So I can rearrange that to just x minus 2 times 2 x squared minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. That's what I'm trying to solve. I can see a solutions too. What about the rest? Now you can try and factorize it. It's a bit awkward. Actually, it turns out to not factorize. So you can either use your solver on your calculator, polynomial degree 2, just type it in. Which gives 2 plus or minus root 14 over 2. Here we go, that's the solutions. I haven't actually shown any work in here, so I'd probably come back to it and just write down the quadratic formula. It's going to be 4 plus or minus 4 squared minus 4 times 2 times minus 5, all square rooted, all over 4. That is going to give me 4 plus or minus, I can use my calculator for this bit. So this is if I was doing it by hand instead of my calculator, or if I was just showing some extra working afterwards. I've already got the answer. So 16, then it's going to become a plus 4 times 2 times 5, root 56. And then I can simplify the third potentially. Root 56 is, well, it's 7 times 8, so it's 4 times 14. So I can write it as root 4 times root 14 or 2 root 14. And then divide top and bottom by 2. Give 2 plus or minus root 14 over 2. Okay, a bit overboard there with that last little bit, but that's how you could do it by hand, essentially. Good.